Hello everyone, welcome to our channel where we discuss the latest in AI technology. Today, we're going to be talking about OpenAI's ChatGPT and whether or not it has the potential to defeat Google. First, let's talk about what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI that uses machine learning to generate human-like text. It's designed to be a conversational AI model, which means it can respond to prompts in a way that feels like a human conversation. Now, let's talk about Google. Google is one of the most well-known and widely used search engines in the world. It uses a complex algorithm to understand and respond to user queries. So, it's pretty clear that Google and ChatGPT are two very different things. But, the question is, could ChatGPT ever defeat Google in terms of language processing capabilities? The short answer is no. ChatGPT is a language model, while Google is a search engine. They have different purposes and capabilities. ChatGPT is designed to generate human-like text based on a prompt, while Google is designed to search the internet for information based on a user query. However, that doesn't mean that ChatGPT is not impressive. In fact, it's very impressive. ChatGPT has been trained on a massive amount of text data and is able to generate text that is almost indistinguishable from human-written text. This makes it a powerful tool for things like chatbots, virtual assistants, and even creative writing. But, when it comes to searching the internet for information, Google is still the king. Google's algorithm is able to understand user queries and match them to relevant information from the vast amount of data on the internet. This is something that ChatGPT is not designed to do. That being said, ChatGPT and Google can work together to improve the user experience. For example, a chatbot powered by ChatGPT could be integrated into a search engine like Google to provide more natural and human-like responses to user queries. This could make the search experience more conversational and intuitive for users. Another way that ChatGPT and Google could work together is by using ChatGPT to generate text summaries of search results. This could make it easier for users to find the information they're looking for and save them time. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI that can generate human-like text. It's not designed to defeat Google in terms of searching the internet for information. However, it can be used in conjunction with Google to improve the user experience by providing more natural and human-like responses to user queries. We can expect to see ChatGPT being integrated into more and more applications in the future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI-related content.